Welcome. This is a beginner's yoga flow for tension relief. Something to get you moving, but restorative enough to shake out all the achy muscles and tense corners of the body. Let's begin standing at the top of the mat. Circulating the head, feeling out all the clicks and ticks in the neck. Allowing the shoulders to be heavy here. Opposite direction. Back to center. Begin circulating the shoulders. Opposite direction. Release back to center and let the hands be heavy here. Let the arms be heavy. And begin swaying side to side. I like to have the motion where I meet opposite hip to hand. We'll begin to slow our sway, so slowly finding some stillness. Go ahead and grab opposite elbows behind your back, softening the shoulders away from the ears. Rest here with this variation, or go ahead and interlace your fingers, pulling the fist towards the mat. Gently taking your gaze up, opening the chest here. Whichever arm variation you are with. On an exhale, begin to bend the knees, folding over your thighs. If your fingers are interlaced, begin to reach the fists up towards the sky. Release, coming into a half lift, nice flat back. Exhale, fold. Let the head be heavy, maybe shaking it yes and no. Inhale back to standing. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the left foot back, dropping the right knee for low lunge. Right hand rests on the mat beside your hip. Inhale, left hand reaches up. On the exhale for a gentle side stretch, reaching that left hand over. Inhale back to center. Left hand to the mat this time. Right hand reaches up and over, side stretch to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, plant the hands, down dog. Walk it out here. Let the head be heavy, no tension in the neck. Inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, hands overhead, reach up. Exhale, taking your fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, stepping the right foot back, dropping that knee for low lunge. Left hand to the mat, right hand reaches up on an inhale. Exhale, side stretch towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Inhale, back to center. Plant the hands. Exhale for down dog. Go ahead and drop the knees. Take a moment here in child's pose. And when you're ready, inhale, coming to table. Dropping the belly on an inhale, taking your gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, taking your gaze down. Continue moving at your own pace. We'll do this for a moment, syncing breath with movement. Back to center, walking the hands forward as far up as you comfortably can, and begin to find some organic movement, maybe swaying side to side, forward and back. Or begin to melt the chest down towards the mat for puppy pose. Inhale, release back to table. And we'll inhale, the right hand reaches up. Exhale, threading it under the left arm. Resting the left hand on the mat. Or take a bind, so reaching that left arm all the way behind your low back. Maybe grabbing your right hip. Opening the chest. Release. Inhaling, the left hand reaches up. Exhale, thread it under the right. Rest here or go ahead and take a bind. Release, coming back to table, shake it out, take a moment. And when you're ready, we'll send the hips down, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Softening the shoulders and upper back with each exhale. No tension in the elbows, allowing the hands to be heavy here. Inhale, release, coming all the way up. Reaching the hands up overhead, big breath. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.